to Rishi Yoga. This is Rajni, yoga teacher and also fitness trainer, dietitian. This video for saggy body or flabby body. After many diets, we'll get some skin should be looking flabby, or when we are walking time also it will moving type. We can feel also for like that body how we can make it tight. I will show today in few asanas in this session. If you are following daily or you are practicing daily way, you will get the result faster. See here, sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, few seconds. It will give you the relaxation. While being in this sitting, do slow breathe or catch your breath. Make it slow breathe. At least 10 to 20 rounds breathe. If you are doing slow, you will get stress free also. Next, here to do few warm-ups, at least 10 minutes warm-ups. We have already videos, warm-ups videos specifically. I will share in a description box. If you want, you can follow that also. After the warm-ups, do Surya Namaskaras 10 or 20. After 2 sessions warm-up and Surya Namaskaras, start this session of asanas. It will give you the result if you are practicing daily way. First, do the hands rotation. Alternate hands rotation you have to do. Do it this hands rotation 20 clock, 20 anti-clock. While doing this rotation you have to stretch hands, don't bend your elbows, and also back straight. Relax. Next, hand stretch. In stretching hands, you have to move like vibration type, like spring movement. Do it this at least 1 minute. Next is a Asva Sancharasana. Inhale, hands up. Be in this pose at least 10 to 20 seconds. It will give you the full body stretch. Relax. Same asana, leg change. Inhale, raise your hands. Along with the hands rise, you have to stretch the body. Relax. Same asana, leg change and go forward stretch. While being in pose also, try to stretch body as much as possible. Relax. Same asana, other side. Next asana is a camel stretch. Inhale, stretch back. Relax. Next is a single leg namaskara pose. The Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana here to stretch the leg side, and also you have to balance leg on your heel, not feet sideway. You have to balance leg on heel. Hands up. Inhale, raise your hands up. Keep your palm in namaskara mudra. Along with the hands, you have to stretch back also. Each and every asana, try to be in 20 to 30 seconds. Relax. In same sitting, go forward stretch. While coming up with inhale, same asana other side. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, go forward. No need to change body. Same sitting position, just a forward stretch. Relax. Next is a cycling hands legs. While sitting pose only, You can do this one comfortably. Who are suffering backache, they self lay down is a good for them. Do it 20 clock, 20 anti-clock. But while doing cycling, stretch your legs, hands proper. Reverse. Next, slowly come into the Sukhasana sitting. Be in Dhyana Mudra 10 to 20 seconds. And also being in Dhyana Mudra, try to catch your breath. Allow to relax body. After this, slowly open your eyes. Sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana or Siddhasana, any comfortable sitting, and do the Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati will release gas out, and also your core and pelvic part for ladies or uh, gents and ladies also, they will get the core part tightening. Sit in comfortable pose, hands on your knee. Relax. At least do 2 to 5 minutes. It will give you the result faster. Next is the Mandukasana. Hands on your stomach. Go forward. While coming up with inhale. Make sure Kapalabhati Mandukasana always empty stomach. It will give the pressure on stomach. Next, slowly rub your hands. Feet should be given on your eyes and face proper, and also the body. While opening eyes, look on your palm. These are the asanas. If you are practicing daily way, you will get result faster. And you can, what is you are trying to practice to get your body overcome to the flabbiness or saggy skin. At the same way, you will get face glow and also young look. I hope this video will help you to get your goal, get your result faster. Please like, share and subscribe to Ishu Yoga channel, and also click the bell icon. You will get my upcoming videos notifications. Namaste.